Hello, this is Rob Hirschfeld. I'm a principal architect at Dell and one of the leads on our Crowbar projects. This is a short video to answer a question and tell you about a new feature that we have put into Crowbar very quietly. I'm very excited about this. This is a huge deal. What we've done is we've taken bar clamps and we've packaged them as tar balls, which means that they are now portable and much easier to move around. So let me show you what I mean. I had a request today, a question if we could install Hadoop and OpenStack in the same system. You can, but Hadoop is only qualified on CentOS and RHEL, and OpenStack is only qualified on Ubuntu. That's just a limitation of testing. If somebody wants to go ahead and certify those on the other operating systems, please do submit, push changes up. We are eager for cross-platform support. So here's the deal. I already installed the Hadoop Barclamp into this OpenStack system. This is using the Dell skin. The open source skin is all black. The Dell skin is white. That's one of the only differences between the two. But you can see I have the OpenStack Barclamps here. I installed the Hadoop Barclamp. I actually had built a new Foo Barclamp, my favorite Foo bar clamp. And so this is the Hadoop Barclamp, but I only brought in the Hadoop Barclamp because I want to show you what I do to bring in the rest of them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a session onto this node. I need to be root, and just for convenience, I'm going to be in the in the bin directory, where I want to be to do all my Barclamp work. But before I do that, I'm going to show you opt Dell Barclamps, and you can see I've installed Hadoop here, and I've also done redone the Dell branding, but I don't have any of the other Hadoop components. So let's take care of that. So over here, I have my temp directory, and this build, cleverly disguised as a cactus build, is actually a Hadoop build. And in that ISO, you'll see this in your build, any ISO that you build, it's going to have a Dell Barclamps directory. This is a build artifact, and it actually gets included in the ISO as you do the build. So these are all the Barclamps that are in the system. You can see these are the Hadoop ones. I think we should install Hive. So I'm just going to drag Hive over into my temp directory. So here's Hive. And you could do this less roundabout by mounting an ISO. This is actually pretty easy for me, so I'm going to do it using SCP. Anyway, so here's the same file I just added, and here's my Dell op bin directory. So I'm just dragging it over, transferring over. Let's get it all the way in the screen for you. So the transfer is finished. And so now if I come back over here, a list in here, you'll see the Hive tarball. So all I have to do to install it is I do a Barclamp install Hive tar zip. I have to be root. I do this, and it installs the Barclamp. So the whole Barclamp is now packaged in a single tar. Very convenient. Come back over here, Hadoop Barclamp, and Hive is now installed. Ta-da! That's it. Hope this is helpful. Go create some Barclamps.